Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook business page QR code. Whether you want to promote your business, share your page easily at events, or add it to your marketing materials, creating a QR code is the perfect solution. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone or computer and tap the menu button at the bottom right. This will open your main navigation menu where you can access all of Facebook's features. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your personal profile displayed. To switch to your business page, look for the three dots in the top right corner and tap on them. This will open a menu where you can select which account you want to use. From the options that appear, choose your business page. This will switch your view so you're now acting as your business page rather than your personal profile. Once you're operating as your page, tap the menu button again at the bottom right. This time, select See Your Page at the top left of the menu. This will take you directly to your business page's public view. On your business page, look for the three dots located next to the View Tools button. Tap on these three dots to open additional options for your page. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link to get your personalized page URL. This is the direct link that will take people straight to your Facebook business page. Now open any web browser on your device and search for Free QR Code Generator. There are many reliable options available, both as websites and mobile apps. Paste your Facebook page link into the QR Code Generator's input field. Most generators will have a clear box where you can paste your URL. After pasting your link, tap the Generate Code or Create QR Code button. You'll see your new QR code appear instantly on the screen. The generator will create a scannable code that directly links to your Facebook business page. You can download the QR code directly from the generator website or simply take a screenshot and crop it to focus just on the code itself. Many generators also offer customization options like changing colors or adding your logo. Use this QR code on posters, business cards, flyers, or other marketing materials to help people quickly access your Facebook business page. Anyone can scan it with their smartphone camera to be taken directly to your page. Thank you for watching.